Hello, it's Philip Taylor speaking from Richmond Green Chambers, and this morning I'm looking at a book from the Ark Group, which is part of Wilmington. It's actually more in the way of a management report, but the title is Strategic Human Resources Management for Law Firms, and HR is actually a very important area which we all are well familiar with. We've given it the title on the web, The Latest Human Resource Strategies for Top Legal Firms, designed to help you build and rebuild your practice in a downturn. And this is the book here. It's a slim paperback. That's the front cover, spine, nothing much on the back. Some draftsman on the front there. And we've got a little visual. And then you go straight into the structure of the book. The chapter headings are there, and then you go from that straight into the executive summary. The book's been written by Julie Harrison, who's an expert in this field, so it's a very welcome book in many ways because of the expertise. That's the index there, and then you've got the usual expert views. One of them is quite useful about talent management right at the end. Let me tell you a little bit about what we think of the book. You may have heard it before, but that doesn't mean it isn't the key to continuing success in the practice of law, and that is that the law is a people business which often requires a delicate balance which must be maintained between the interests and aims of clients, colleagues and ancillary staff. All this and the issues which it raises is, of course, the preserve of the human resource department, which in larger law firms especially can become exceedingly complex and which requires a steady guiding hand. Fortunately, this new book from Ark offers lawyers involved with personnel issues rather a treasure trove of HR advice in our view. There are lots of HR texts out there, but this one is law specific and targeted directly to those who are involved in the human resources management of law firms. So if you're an HR professional within a law firm, this book, presented in the convenient format of a management report, can help you devise ways and means to help your firm achieve a consistently profit-generating HR strategy, whilst at the same time raising your own profile and that of your department within the firm. The author, as I mentioned, Julie Harrison, is an expert in this field and includes the views and insights of a number of other experienced professionals whose case studies are often quite thought-provoking. For example, especially in the light of the 2012 London Olympics, consider contributor Steve McNichol's Muckle 2 Lengths article, which, focusing on the story of Olympic swimmer Chris Cook, reveals one instance of how business can be linked with sport. Chris focuses on a single objective, which was not winning medals, but merely swimming 2 lengths of the pool as fast as he could. Obviously, as McNichol, that's Muckle LLP's managing partner, admits, this oversimplifies the process by which Chris achieved his medals, but the basic principle is certainly pertinent to motivational HR in most lines of business, including law. Of course, any HR strategy, including this one, should ideally be designed with similar simplicity and with a key objective in mind. The details of how this can work in the context of a law practice are further explained in the book. With its results-based practical approach, we think this book is designed to help you do just that, which is to basically expand and build upon your business and develop a most effective HR management strategy. It's a sensible purchase for your professional library, and the work has been published in 2012, so it's very much up to date. It's also available on a PDF, which I think will be of great help to other members within the firm. Thank you very much indeed to all concerned. It's an excellent new contribution. Bye-bye.